Beetroot juice has been gaining popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits, one of which is its ability to increase blood flow. This vibrant red juice is packed with essential nutrients that can help improve circulation and boost overall cardiovascular health. One of the key components of beetroot juice that makes it so effective at increasing blood flow is its high concentration of nitrates. Nitrates are compounds that are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels. This dilation allows for more efficient blood flow, which can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation throughout the body. In addition to nitrates, beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can further support cardiovascular health. These nutrients help protect the blood vessels from damage, reduce inflammation, and improve the overall function of the circulatory system. So, how can you increase blood flow by drinking beetroot juice? The first step is to choose a high-quality, organic beetroot juice that is free from added sugars and preservatives. Freshly juiced beets are always the best option, but if you don't have a juicer, you can also find bottled beetroot juice at most health food stores. To maximize the benefits of beetroot juice for increasing blood flow, it's recommended to drink a small glass of juice daily. Start with a half cup to 1 cup of juice per day and gradually increase your intake as needed. Some people may experience a temporary drop in blood pressure when they first start drinking beetroot juice, so it's important to monitor your blood pressure regularly and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. For those who are looking to enhance the effects of beetroot juice on blood flow, there are a few additional steps you can take. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support overall cardiovascular health and complement the benefits of beetroot juice. Regular exercise, stress management techniques, and adequate hydration are also important factors in maintaining healthy blood flow. It's worth noting that while beetroot juice can be a powerful tool for increasing blood flow, it is not a cure-all for cardiovascular issues. It's always important to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have a history of heart disease, high blood pressure, or other medical conditions. In conclusion, beetroot juice is a delicious and nutritious way to support healthy blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating this vibrant red juice into your daily routine and making other lifestyle changes to support your heart health, you can enjoy the benefits of improved circulation and a healthier heart. So pour yourself a glass of beetroot juice and toast to better blood flow.